Hello my dear students, in the previous video we are going to study about the first chapter of the syllabus is reproduction in organism. In the first video I will discuss about lifespan and example and the study of asexual reproduction with example in detail. And today we are going to be discuss about the second type of reproduction is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is defined as it involves two male and female gametes fusion to form the new young ones are called as sexual reproduction. Involves the fusion of male and female gamete. In the asexual reproduction there is no male and female, but the sexual reproduction they have a male and female gamete is there. They fuse together to form the new young ones are called as sexual reproduction. And the next point is all organisms have a certain period of growth to produce the new young ones, but the before the stage is called as juvenile phase. In definition, all organisms have to reach certain stage of growth and maturity in their life. They can reproduce sexually before the stage of growth is called as juvenile phase. At the same time, the before reproduce in the plants are called as vegetative phase. In the animals, juvenile phase. In plants are called as vegetative phase. And the next point is when each and every organism have a cyclical changes during the reproductive phase, only in the female body is called as estrous cycle. The estrous cycle only seen in non-primates. Non-primates means like cat, cow, dog, etc. These animals have only estrous cycle. At the same time, when in primates are called as menstrual cycle. Okay, menstrual cycle seen in only primates. Primates it means chimpanzee, apes, human beings also. These cyclical changes during the reproduction only seen in females. Okay, remember this topic, only seen in females only. That is called as that is the phase of reproduction is called as estrous cycle or menstrual cycle. Estrous cycle means only seen in non-primates like cow, cat, dog, etc. And menstrual cycle seen in only primates like apes, monkey and human beings. Okay, going to be move on the next point is okay, all of us have seen in all animals, but the final stage of reproduction phase are called as senescence phase or old age. And the final stage of reproduction is called as senescence phase. When senescence phase after the animal leads to death, this is the final stage of senescence phase. Okay, these are the most important sexual reproduction. And going to be next main topic is events in sexual reproduction. What are the important events in the sexual reproduction involve the reproduce the new young ones? They have a main important thing. Three important events are there in sexual reproduction. Number one is the pre-fertilization. Second one is the fertilization. Third one is the post-fertilization. Fertilization it means the fertilizes the two gametes. That is called as fertilization. And before the fertilization, the process are called as pre-fertilization. And after the fertilization are called as post-fertilization. And these are the important. And now we are going to be discuss about the main important events are pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. And the first one is pre-fertilization. Pre-fertilization it means before the fertilization. What are those important events are those in pre-fertilization? The pre-fertilization importantly they have two important events are there. The first important event is gametogenesis and the second one is gamete transfer. The gametogenesis it means the process of formation of gametes. is called as gametogenesis. In the gametogenesis, they have mainly two important types are there. The first one is the male gamete and female gamete. These are the important gametes in all living animals. Okay. Gametes are haploid in nature. Haploid, it means they have n number. N means only singular gene is there, and 2n is diploid in nature. They have, all of us are haploid in nature. It means n numbers only. And male and female gametes are similar appearance. It means male and female have a similar appearance. They call as homogametes or isogametes. Homogametes or isogametes means male and female have a similar appearance. Similar appearance gametes are called as homogametes or isogametes. In case morphologically difference in male and female gametes are called as heterogametes. Okay, morphologically difference in male and female gametes, those are called as heterogametes. And going to be next. Okay, heterogametes, it means they have a difference in the morphologically. Male and female are separated. The male is called as androzoid or sperm. Androzoid is in plants and sperm is in animals. At the same time, female gamete are those are egg or womb. Egg only in plants and womb are in animals. Okay, sexuality in organism. These are terms in gametogenesis. Okay, remember the gametogenesis. And plants may have both male and female similar. Both male and female have present in the same plant or same organism are called as bisexual or homothallic or monoecious. Okay, don't make a confusion. Bisexual, homothallic or monoecious are same. Okay, bisexual only seen in animals, homothallic and monoecious seen in plants. Okay, homothallic, it means both male and female are same in plants. Both male flower and female flower or female gametes are same plants or same flower are called as homothallic or monoecious or bisexual. For example, homothallic flowers are example cucurbita and coconut. The cucurbita plant, they have both present in the same flower, male and female. In the bisexual animals, for example, earthworm. Earthworm, they have both male and female gametes present in the same animal. Those are called as bisexual animal. And the second point is plants may have both different plants, different flower, different gametes called as unisexual. For example, the male flower and female flowers different in plant. In animals, the gametes are separated, male and female. Those are called as unisexual or heterothallic or dioecious. Unisexual, for example, human beings. Both gametes are separated, female and female. They have separated. That's called as unisexual. At the same time, heterothallic and dioecious, it means they have a different in gametes. For example, papaya. Papaya plants, they have a different gametes are there. Those male and female are separate in plants. Okay, these are dioecious or heterothallic or unisexual. Those are same in. Okay, don't make confusion. And the unisexual male flower is called as staminate. Staminate bears the stamens in plants. Female flowers is called pistillate. Pistillate, that is bearing the pistils. The sperm produces testes produce the sperm and ovaries produce the egg or ovum in animals. These are the separate gametes. Okay, male and female. And the next point is parent body have a diploid nature. When the sperm will be n number, haploid in nature, but in parent body is diploid in nature. When the parent body remove and enter the female body, that time they is haploid in nature. Okay, but parent body is diploid in nature. that the specialized process are called as meiosis. Okay, meiosis is also nothing but the gamete mother cell. Okay, gamete mother cell, they have a two end. It is the diploid in nature. Okay, don't make a confusion. When the transfer of mother cell, they have a haploid, and present in the parent cell, they have diploid. Okay, for example, when the meiosis in human beings, genes are 46 numbers. Okay, when the haploid in nature, they are 23. This half numbers. Haploid means one double. The haploid double is diploid or meiosis. Okay, when rat 42 numbers of meiosis are diploid, when at the same time diploid haploid is 21 numbers. In fruits like only 8 genes is there, and the haploid nature is 4 genes are there. Okay, this is the gametogenesis events in sexual reproduction. Okay. Okay, in the second important pre-fertilization is gamete transfer. The gamete transfer, it means the transfer of male gamete to female gamete, when it is lead to formation of zygote or fertilization. Okay, when in bisexual flower or bisexual animals, how can they transfer the gamete formation? They can't transfer the gamete because they have a similar in male and female gametes are similar plant or similar animal. That's why the gamete transfer not involved the bisexual animals or bisexual flower. When they fertilize, that are called as self-fertilization. Self-fertilization. Because self-fertilization, it means they can't transfer the male gamete to female gamete in another plant, because male and female are similar in plant. That's why they fertilize the self itself. That's it is called as self-fertilization. Both male and female present in the same plant or same animal, they produce the gametes in itself are called as self-fertilization. Okay, this is the gamete transfer of self-fertilization. In unisexual animals or plants, the gamete transfer the male to female. That leads to the fertilization takes place. Okay, these are the important pre-fertilization events, gametogenesis and gamete transfer. In the next video, we will discuss about the fertilization importance. Okay, thank you.